Well, good morning everybody. It's been a while since we made one of these videos. So we got some progress here. You'll see there's a couple missing tractors. There's a lot to do today. I got to get this wood taken care of. We got to go down to the wood yard and get that more taken care of. Got to chip some wood today. Quite a bit to do. Quite a few changes down in the wood yard down there as well we'll look at here in a little bit, but I'm going to let the sun come up a little bit more before I start making too much noise, and then we'll get to it. Alright, like I said, our goal is to get this firewood out of here today. Just need to move a few things. And then I need to figure out how to get this splitter down into the wood yard. It's not something super complicated, but it is heavy and there's a hill and I don't have a proper hitch, so I can't lock the ball down. So that'll be interesting, but that might be a story for another day. Yeah, we probably won't be dealing with that today. But let's get this thing fired up and warmed up and ready to go. One of the reasons I want to move this thing is because like this stuff just gets, you know, we're always like working in a different spot and it gets everywhere. Come on. We'll just let that sit there and warm up for a few minutes. And then we'll get to splitting. Had to take a quick break and land my drone. I don't like having it just hovering above me, and I got my earmuffs on. I can't hear it, and I hope it just doesn't like fly away, you know. So all right, back to it. Pieces that need cutting. I think these guys I'm just going to cut clean in half. myself I was going to do this without getting a bunch of sawdust in my shoes. Guess what happened? It didn't work. Oh my god, ants everywhere. Well, that sucks. Yeah, that's, I don't like messing with ants. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we'll give them a chance to calm down and move on a little bit, and then we'll get this stuff split. Look at this guy. Somebody must have got hurt. Yeah, it looks like he's landing right there. Well, hope whatever happened is not too bad. Oh yeah, he went down. All right, so we got the trailer all loaded. Don't want to overload it. Like I could haul a lot more, but that trailer's plastic and I've already broken it once. So I think we're gonna have, 3 trips, maybe 4 at most. We're gonna get back there, get the rest of this split. We got these guys right here, and then those 2 ant-infested pieces over there. Then it's just a matter of hauling wood out to the back 40 and stacking it up in the wood yard. So we'll get to it. So now I've got an issue I need to work out. I want to separate. Look at that bomber. You guys see that? That's amazing. That's an oldie but goodie. Anyway, so here's my maintenance yard over here. Here's my backyard over here. I want to figure out a way to separate the two because too much of the stuff bleeds over and it just looks like a mess and I don't like it. So I'm going to go from the corner of the shop here to the corner of the house there and put up some sort of fence. I don't know, I don't have enough fencing to make it all look good and match and all that stuff, but so I'm not sure how I'm going to do it yet. I've got like a 6-foot iron fence that I might put across here. That way I can just open it up to drive, because I still need to drive through there. But so probably put like a T-post in the ground like there-ish, run that fence to it, and then just run like chicken wire to the shop or something, maybe like that. I don't know, but I do have power in that corner underground, so I gotta be mindful for that. But That's what I'm going to be working on here pretty soon. I got the last load of wood loaded. Oh, I got a couple pieces I just saw right there, but for the most part, last load of wood piled up. I need to get that tire back on the splitter. That's going to be a job. This is what I'm dealing with right now. Completely off the rim, but I'll get it back on. Wrap a strap around it or something, and then just a bunch of little kindling down here that I need to clean up. But other than that, we are done with the firewood for now. We're not done for the year. We're just done for now. We still don't have enough. We only got about half what we need, so I got more. I just need to go pick it up and bring it home. But let's get that down to the wood yard, and let's work on this fence. I have to get some stuff moved out of the way, obviously, but yeah, let's work on that. So that's kind of what I'm going after, and it leaves plenty of room to drive through here still. That is just over 6 feet, and this area is just under 6 feet that I have to fill, so I think I'll buy another one of those. I don't even know where to buy it. I'm guessing the big blue box store. This one I'm going to put up stationary, and then this one I'll hinge probably off this corner somehow, some way. One concern I have is I know I have power. I think it's just outside the line, but I've also got, so I've got power and I've got the low voltage for the irrigation timers over here. So I don't even want to get into screwing any of that up. So yeah, for now, you know, I used the UV resistant zip ties around the splitter tongue. That'll hold it up. And I'm going to not put a post in the ground just yet. I got to look at a few things first, because I know that the power comes out of the corner right there, just past that pier block. And I know it comes out a little bit and then over. So I think as far as the high voltage stuff goes, I think we're okay. It's just the low voltage that worries me right now. So yeah, I don't want to dig up and make any repairs. I'm not in the mood to dig today. So anyway, we've got, I mean, it's all cleared. It's all good. There's still a few things to do. The old chicken coop here needs a little bit of attention. I think I'm just going to tear the whole thing down. I don't know. We were using it for a wood shed last year. I got the old wheel horse deck down here. I don't know what I'll do. I'll have to put it over there. The wheel horse is, you can see part of it. It's it's covered in garbage right now. Got a shelf to my van. I'm just going to throw that away. But yeah, for the most part, we've reclaimed a little bit of property this weekend. And the weekend's not even half over yet, so woohoo for us. Anyway guys, that's where I'm going to end this video. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time.